Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to use blending of layers in CapCut. First, open CapCut, then import the video. Then drag this video as a layer and drag this video as a main. Then select the layer video and click on the blend option. And from this drop down, select screen. And for the green screen video, you can't use this option. For that, you have to click on cutout option and select chroma keys. Then select this color pick and pick the screen color and adjust it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.